Good morning, students. Today, let us start with English 1, new chapter. Chapter 29. Can, may, should, must. Open page number 99. Can. We use can to show that we are able to do something. For example, I can swim. When we use can, when we are able to do some work, we use can. That is, I can swim. So, I am able to swim. Next, could. Could is the past tense of can. What is could? It is the past tense of can. Here you can see in the example, he said that he could not come. So, he was not able to come. So, we are using could. Next, may. We use may to ask permission. For example, may I go to the market? So, when we are using may to ask permission for someone, we use may. Next, should. Should is used when we want to give advice or suggest something. When is should used? When we want to tell something or give some advice to some of our friend or someone, we use should, or we suggest something to our friends. We use should. For example, you should always be polite to others. So, you should always be polite. You should be decent with others, nice to others. Next, must. Must is used when we want to say that it is very important or necessary to do something. When we will use must, when it is very important or it is necessary, when we are doing some important work or it is necessary that we have to do, we will use must. For example, we must eat fruits and vegetables to be healthy. So, if you eat fruits and vegetables, you will be healthy, right? So, we are using must. We must eat fruits and vegetables to be healthy. Next, remember, both can and may are used while asking for permission. So, can and may we are using when we are asking for permission. That is, for example, can I take her home? May I come in? Similarly, we use may for permission in a more formal situation and can in a more informal situation. So, when we use may, we use when we are in formal situation. We ask in a polite way. Can in a more informal situation. For example, may I ask a question? Or can I ask a question? Here we have used may and can to ask a question. Next, amen. Complete these sentences using can or cannot with appropriate verbs from the box. Verbs are given in the box. You have to select the suitable verbs and add can or cannot for the given sentences. First one, they dash in a restaurant if they like. So, in a restaurant, what do? You eat. You go to eat. So, here we have to write they can eat in a restaurant if they like. Second, I dash the music of rain falling on the tin roof. So, you hear the music which is falling on the tin roof. Which music? Rain. So, you hear. And the answer is I can hear the music of rain falling on the tin roof. Third, he dash French but dash in French. So, what he can do, it is a language, right? French is a language. So, he can speak French but he cannot write in French. Did you get it? Fourth, you dash tomorrow for the reservation. Reservation means you want to book a ticket. Yes, you want to reserve it. So, what you will do? You can call tomorrow for the reservation. Fifth, I dash anything but I will do what I can. So, I cannot promise anything, but I will do what I can. 6th, please let us know if you dash dash the ceremony. So there is a function. Please let us know whether you are attending the function or no. So the answer is can attend. 7th, I dash him with the project. I can, you can write I can or you can write cannot. Right? I can or cannot trust him with the project. 8th, he dash dash about the project until he materializes. He cannot talk about the project until he materializes. Right? 9th, we dash dash them by asking for more help. We cannot ask them more help and trouble them. Okay, so the answer is we cannot trouble them by asking for more help. 10th, she dash dash to delay the work by 2 days. She cannot afford to delay the work by 2 days. B main. Complete these sentences using may or may not with appropriate verbs from the box. Some of the verbs can be used twice. Here we have to identify the verbs which are correct and we have to write in the given blanks. The verbs which are given, you can use them twice. Okay, first one. Dash, I dash, why you took that decision. May I ask why you took that decision? Second, you dash dash for the party if you wish. You may come for the party if you wish. Third, dash, I dash your car for tomorrow. So what you are doing? You are asking permission to take the car. So, may I borrow your car for tomorrow? Fourth, he dash dash for the election next year. He may stand for the elections next year. Fifth, dash, I dash this beautiful dress for the party. May I buy this beautiful dress for the party? Sixth, you dash dash the video for some time if you are getting bored. You may watch the video for some time if you are getting bored. Seventh, dash we dash the rest of you in an hour over lunch. We may see the rest of you in an hour over lunch. Eighth, dash I dash in ma'am. I got late as I was held up in the traffic. May I come in ma'am? I got late as I was held up in the traffic. Ninth, dash I dash the sweets in the class now. Yes, you dash do so. May I distribute the sweets in the class now? Yes, you may do so. 10th, we dash dash to the circus today due to bad weather. We may not go to the circus today due to bad weather. 11th, she dash dash Canada this week because of her classes. She may visit Canada this week because of her classes. 12th, dash I dash the last slice of lemon cake please. May I eat the last slice of lemon cake please? Next, 13th, dash we dash Natasha with you for the rest of the day. Yes, you dash leave her with us. May we leave Natasha with you for the rest of the day? Yes, you may leave her with us. 14th, dash I dash your pen. No, you dash I am going to need it for writing. May I use your pen? No, you may not. I am going to need it for writing. C. Complete these sentences using should or should not with appropriate verbs from the box. First one, you dash dash more every day to keep fit. To be healthy and fit, what we have to do every day? Exercise. So, you should exercise more every day to keep fit. Second, we dash dash our old aunt in Vancouver during this trip. We should visit our old aunt in Vancouver during this trip. Third, they dash dash before it gets too dark. They should return before it gets too dark. Fourth, the doctor recommended that I dash dash more protein in breakfast. What the doctor suggested? Should eat more protein in breakfast, right? The doctor recommended that I should eat more protein in breakfast. Fifth, you have been practicing for a long time. I think you dash dash in the race. Should participate. Sixth, you dash dash your problems with your seniors. They will help you. You should discuss your problems with your seniors. They will help you. Seventh, you dash dash this variety of jackfruit. It is always bitter in taste. You should not buy this variety of jackfruit. It is always bitter in taste. Eighth, we dash dash paper. It leads to loss of trees. We should not waste paper. It leads to loss of trees. Ninth, I dash dash them twice every week. I should call them twice every week. 10th, you dash dash an umbrella. It might rain today. You should carry an umbrella. It might rain today. 11th, we dash dash rudely with our elders. We should not speak rudely with our elders. 12th, you dash dash the money for charity in advance. You should not collect the money for charity in advance. Students, let us move on to next chapter. Chapter 30, Subject Verb Agreement. Look at these sentences. The old man walks slowly. The old man walks slowly. Here in the first picture, you can see there is one old man. And in the next picture, you can see there are three old men. So here the verb will change in the sentence. Let us see. The verb has changed in the sentence. Why? Let us see. Remember, yes, because the subject of the sentence has changed. In the first sentence, the subject is singular, while in the second sentence, the subject is plural. This is known as agreement of subject and verb. So, in the first picture, there is one person, and in second, there are three. So, the subject is changed. It is subject singular, and in the second picture, subject is plural. There are many. This is known as agreement of subject and verb. There are few rules regarding the agreement of subject and verb. When two or more singular nouns or pronouns are joined by and, the verb that follows the subject is a plural verb. When two or singular nouns are joined by and, the verb will change. It will become, from singular it will become plural. Let us see the example. Matilda and you walk to school every day. Matilda and you walks to school every day. This is wrong sentence. Here students, Matilda and you. Here we have written and. The sentence is joined by and the verb that follows the subject is plural verb. So the first sentence is correct. Eva and I are great friends. Eva and I am great friends. This is wrong because there are two girls, and for two girls we call are. Here am is considered as myself. So the second sentence is wrong. When two or more singular nouns or pronouns are joined by with or as well as, then the verb that follows the subject is a singular verb. When there are more than one person, the singular noun which is joined by with or as well as, the subject will be singular verb. Let us see the example. For example, the judge with the lawyers has decided that the man is guilty. Here you can see there are three persons, right? So, the subject is a singular verb. It is correct. The judge with the lawyers have decided that the man is guilty. This is wrong. We should not use have. We should use has. Amelia as well as James has passed. Amelia as well as James have passed. This is wrong sentence. We have to use has because there are two persons. Here in the sentence, they are connected by the word as well as, so they become singular noun. A collective noun always takes the singular verb. Collective noun is a group of people or things, but it will take place as a singular verb. For example, the roses are pretty, but the bouquet of roses is pretty. Here, roses are many, not single rose, many. So, for many we call as bouquet of roses. So, the bouquet of roses is pretty. It is a collective noun. The keys are missing, but the bunch of keys is missing. Here, bunch of keys is considered as singular verb. Amen. Tick the correct option from the words given in the brackets and fill in the blanks. First one, your dog and my cat dash are or is great friends. Your dog and my cat are great friends. Second, your dog as well as my cat dash are or is very friendly. Here we have to write is. Third, the ship with its crew dash was were saved. The ship with its crew was saved. Fourth, the herd of cows dash is or are grazing in the field. Here students, herd of cows is collective nouns. We should not write are, we should write is. So the answer is the herd of cows is grazing in the field. Fifth, the box of crayons dash is are colorful. The box of crayons is collective noun. So we should write is. The box of crayons is colorful. Sixth, the crayons in the box dash is are colorful. There are many crayons in the box like red, pink, orange, etc. So we should write are. The crayons in the box are colorful. Seventh, my mother as well as your mother dash was were taking part in the race. My mother as well as your mother was taking part in the race. Here the word as well as is used, so we should not write were, we should write was, singular verb. Eighth, grandfather and grandmother dash are is coming to stay with us. Grandfather and grandmother are coming to stay with us. Ninth, the boy with his team dash is are attending the meeting. The boy with his team is attending the meeting. 10th, Jatin and Gagan dash is are fighting on the field. Jatin and Gagan are fighting on the field. B. Read this passage and fill in the blanks from the options given in the brackets. The class of students dash was were going to the beach one day. The teacher and the students dash was were very excited. The monitor with 4 captains dash was were given the task of taking care of the students. The buses reached the beach and all the children got off. All the children dash was were planning what they would do at the beach. Geeta and Garima dash was were going to build sand castles. Preeti or Ira dash was were going to get some shells to decorate the castles. A group of boys dash was were planning to play cricket. Bharat as well as Manish dash was were going to keep an eye on the students to see that no one went too deep into the water. All the children dash was were going to have great time at the beach. Class students were going to beach one day. The teacher and students were very excited, and there was a captain, 4 captains with the monitor who were taking care of the students. They all reached the beach. They got down from the bus and they started planning what they are going to do. Geeta and Garima were planning of building a sand castles. Preeti and Ira were going to get shells to decorate the castles. So they were a group of boys who were planning to play cricket. Bharat as well as Manish were going to keep an eye on the students. They were going to see that no students will go deep into the water. So all the children were going to have great fun at the beach. Now let us fill the blanks. The class of students was going to the beach one day. The teacher and the students were very excited. The monitor with 4 captains was given the task of taking care of the students. The buses reached the beach and all the children got off. All the children were planning what they would do at the beach. Geeta and Garima were going to build sand castles. Preeti or Ira was going to get them some shells to decorate the castles. A group of boys was planning to play cricket. Bharat as well as Manish was going to keep an eye on the students to see that no one went too deep into the water. All the children were going to have a great time at the beach. C. Fill in these blanks with is, am or are. Students, this main is for homework. Write the answers in the given blanks in the textbook itself. Next, D main. Fill in these blanks with has or have. Remember children, have is used for I, you, we, they always, and has is used for he, she, it always. Has is used for singular nouns only. He dash a nice bungalow near the sea. He has a nice bungalow near the sea. Second, they dash reserved a seat in advance for my uncle. They have reserved a seat in advance for my uncle. Third, these flowers dash a very strong fragrance. These flowers have a very strong fragrance. Fourth, I dash many interesting books to read for the trip. I have many interesting books to read for the trip. Fifth, we dash a variety of toys in our store. We have a variety of toys in our store. Sixth, she dash a great personality. She has a great personality. Seventh, dash anyone seen my car keys? Have anyone seen my car keys? Eighth, do you dash a good book to read? Do you have a good book to read? Ninth, our school dash a big library. Our school has a big library. 10th, dash children finished the assignments. Have children finished the assignments? 11th, we dash this facility in our apartments. We have this facility in our apartments. 12th, I dash no pocket money to spend. I have no pocket money to spend. E. Rewrite these sentences correctly. Students, here helping verbs are given wrong. You have to correct them and rewrite the sentences. I will do 2 sentences for you. Remaining is for homework. Write this in your homework notebook. Rewrite the sentences. First one, what good books do you has for studying history? And the answer is, what good books do you have for studying history? Here has is changed into have. Second, does your friend have good English pronunciation? Does your friend has good English pronunciation? Here again have is changed into has. As I have told you where to use has and have, just go through it properly and rewrite these sentences in your homework book.